Hello everyone, welcome back. If your iPhone says SIM failure, no SIM card, no service error after or before iOS update, then do the following steps. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please do like, share and subscribe. First of all, we are going to launch settings and enable airplane mode and wait for a few seconds, then turn on back. The next thing that we have to do, we have to launch settings again. Tap on screen time and tap content and privacy restrictions. Here we have to slightly scroll, find and tap on mobile data changes and make sure that allow is selected. After that, hopefully you will get rid of this issue. If not, then force close all the apps that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone according to your iPhone model. After forced restart, the next solution is launch settings, general, transfer reset iPhone, tap reset and tap reset all settings. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. Here we have to put iPhone passcode and tap again reset all settings to confirm. In the end, what we have to do, we have to use the SIM ejector tool, take out the SIM card, clean it properly and reinsert. That's it. By doing this step, you will get rid of this issue on your iPhone and iPad after or before iOS update. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.